Another sleepless night? The clock reads 2:47 a.m. and there you are again, padding down the hallway in your slippers, feeling frustrated and exhausted. You're not alone in this midnight march to the bathroom. Millions of seniors experience frequent nighttime urination, turning what should be peaceful rest into a series of interruptions that leave you groggy and drained the next day. But here's something that might surprise you. Sitting right in your refrigerator could be 3 humble vegetables that may help reduce those nightly bathroom trips. These aren't exotic superfoods or expensive supplements. They're simple, everyday vegetables that your grandmother probably kept in her kitchen. Now, I need to be upfront with you. These vegetables aren't magic bullets, and results can vary from person to person. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have underlying health conditions. But the science behind these 3 vegetables is fascinating, and the stories I've heard from viewers like you are encouraging. Before we dive in, drop a comment below and let me know, how many times do you typically wake up at night? Don't worry, we're all friends here, and your experience might help someone else feel less alone. The science behind night urination. Think of your kidneys like 2 hardworking night security guards. During the day, they're busy filtering and processing, but at night they're supposed to slow down and let you rest. When frequent urination disrupts this natural rhythm, it's often because these security guards are working overtime. Several factors can trigger this midnight shift work. As we age, our bodies may produce less of a hormone that helps concentrate urine overnight. It's like having a dimmer switch that gradually loses its power. Additionally, some health conditions can make our kidneys work harder, like a car engine that never quite cools down. Here's where nutrition becomes interesting. Certain vegetables contain natural compounds that may help support your body's fluid balance. Think of them as gentle assistants helping those kidney security guards do their job more efficiently. These aren't harsh diuretics that force your body to eliminate water rapidly. Instead, they work more like a wise supervisor, helping to coordinate the overnight shift more smoothly. The key lies in minerals like potassium and magnesium, which help regulate fluid balance, and fiber, which supports steady blood sugar levels throughout the night. When blood sugar stays stable, your kidneys don't have to work as hard filtering excess glucose. Remember, these vegetables may help support normal kidney function, but individual results vary. They're not intended to replace medical treatment, and you should always work with your healthcare provider to address persistent sleep disruptions. Have you noticed certain foods affecting your sleep patterns? Share your observations in the comments. Your experience could help fellow viewers. Vegetable number 1, cucumber. Nature's gentle helper. Let me take you back to those hot summer afternoons when you were younger. Remember how refreshing a crisp cucumber felt? That cooling sensation wasn't just in your imagination. Cucumbers are nature's way of providing gentle hydration and balance. Cucumbers are roughly 95% water. But it's not just any water. Think of cucumber water like a gentle stream flowing through your system, compared to plain water, which might rush through like a river after heavy rain. This cucumber water comes packed with natural minerals that help your body maintain fluid balance more efficiently. Here's what makes cucumber special for nighttime comfort. They contain natural compounds that may help your body eliminate excess sodium gently. Too much sodium can make your body hold onto water like a sponge, creating that uncomfortable feeling of being waterlogged. Cucumbers help your body release this excess fluid during the day, potentially reducing the need for frequent nighttime elimination. My neighbor Dorothy, who's 73, started adding cucumber slices to her afternoon water about 6 months ago. She mentioned feeling less puffy in the evenings and told me her sleep feels more uninterrupted. Of course, everyone's experience is different, but Dorothy's story isn't uncommon among the seniors I've spoken with. The fiber in cucumbers also plays a supporting role. Unlike harsh fiber that might upset your stomach, cucumber fiber is gentle and helps slow the absorption of any sugars you consume throughout the day. This means more stable blood sugar levels. And stable blood sugar often translates to less stress on your kidneys overnight. Simple preparation ideas. Cucumber mint water. Add thin cucumber slices and a few mint leaves to your water pitcher. Let it infuse for an hour. It's like a spa treatment for your hydration routine. Simple cucumber salad. Slice cucumbers thin. Add a touch of apple cider vinegar and a pinch of sea salt. This makes a refreshing side dish that pairs well with dinner. The beauty of cucumbers lies in their gentleness. They're not forcing your body to do anything dramatic. Instead, They're supporting your natural processes like a helpful friend who knows just when to lend a hand. Try enjoying cucumber-infused water or a light cucumber salad with your lunch, rather than dinner. This gives your body time to process the gentle hydration and minerals during your active hours, potentially supporting more restful nights. Here's a fun challenge. Try the cucumber mint water recipe this week and let me know in the comments how it tastes. Sometimes, the simplest solutions are the most pleasant. Surprises vegetable number 2, zucchini, the unsung hero. If cucumbers are the gentle friend, then zucchini is the reliable family member who's always there when you need them. Often overlooked in favor of flashier vegetables, zucchini quietly offers some remarkable benefits for seniors dealing with nighttime bathroom trips. Picture zucchini as nature's gentle sponge. Like cucumbers, it's high in water content, but zucchini brings something extra to the table, a perfect balance of potassium and magnesium. Think of these minerals as the conductors of your body's fluid orchestra, helping everything work in harmony rather than chaos. Potassium is particularly interesting for seniors. As we age, our bodies sometimes struggle to maintain the right balance between sodium and potassium. It's like having a scale that's slightly off-kilter. Zucchini's natural potassium content may help tip that balance back toward harmony, potentially reducing the fluid retention that can contribute to frequent nighttime urination. Remember when zucchini used to be that vegetable gardeners couldn't give away fast enough? My grandmother used to joke that she'd leave bags of zucchini on neighbors' porches like some kind of vegetable fairy. Little did we know she was sharing liquid gold for better sleep. The magnesium in zucchini deserves special mention. This mineral works behind the scenes like a calm, steady manager, helping your muscles relax and supporting healthy blood sugar levels. Overnight, when blood sugar stays steady, your kidneys can focus on their nighttime maintenance routine rather than working overtime to filter excess glucose. Here's a simple way to think about incorporating zucchini. Replace 1 serving of pasta per week with spiralized zucchini noodles. You're not eliminating anything you love, you're just making a gentle swap that could support better sleep. Easy preparation methods. Zucchini noodles use a spiralizer or vegetable peeler to create long strips. Sauté briefly with olive oil. And garlic, it's comfort food that comforts in more ways than one. Simple roasted zucchini, cut into half moons, drizzle with olive oil, season with herbs, roast until golden. The roasting concentrates the flavors and makes the minerals more bioavailable. What makes zucchini particularly senior-friendly is its versatility and mild flavor. Unlike some vegetables that can be challenging to digest, zucchini is gentle on the stomach, while still providing substantial nutritional support. While zucchini may help support fluid balance and stable blood sugar levels, individual results vary. Some people notice changes within a few weeks, while others may take longer to experience benefits. If you're already a zucchini fan, share your favorite preparation method in the comments. And if you've never tried zucchini noodles, give them a chance. You might be pleasantly surprised by how satisfying they can be. Vegetable number 3, spinach, the powerhouse supporter. Now we come to spinach, and I can almost hear some of you thinking about Popeye right now. But let's talk about the real-world magic of this leafy green, especially for seniors seeking more restful nights. Spinach is like having a gentle, knowledgeable friend who brings exactly what you need without making a big fuss about it. While it might not give you instant bulging muscles like in the cartoons, spinach offers something potentially more valuable for seniors. A concentrated source of magnesium, potassium, and natural compounds that may support healthy kidney function and stable blood sugar levels. Think of magnesium as your body's natural relaxation mineral. It's involved in over 300 bodily processes, working quietly in the background like a skilled conductor. Keeping an orchestra in perfect harmony for seniors, adequate magnesium intake may help support muscle relaxation and stable blood sugar levels overnight, both factors that can influence how often you need to visit the bathroom. I remember my grandfather mixing spinach into his scrambled eggs every morning. He called it his green insurance policy. At 89, he was still sleeping through most nights. While genetics certainly played a role, his commitment to nutrient-dense foods like spinach probably didn't hurt. The potassium in spinach works as a natural counterbalance to sodium. Picture sodium as creating tiny dams throughout your body, causing fluid to pull in places it shouldn't. Potassium helps release those dams, gently allowing fluids to flow more naturally and potentially reducing nighttime urgency. Gentle preparation ideas. Morning Smoothie Edition. Add fresh spinach to during the last few minutes of cooking. It adds color, nutrition, and virtually no calories. What's particularly encouraging about spinach is how gentle it is on the digestive system. Unlike some leafy greens that can be tough or bitter, spinach has a mild flavor and tender texture that most seniors find easy to enjoy and digest. Spinach isn't an overnight miracle cure, but many people report feeling more balanced and experiencing steadier energy levels when they include it regularly in their diet. These improvements in overall well-being may indirectly support better sleep patterns. If you're taking blood-thinning medications, discuss spinach consumption with your healthcare provider as it contains vitamin K, which can affect medication effectiveness. What's your relationship with spinach? Love it, hate it, or somewhere in between? Share in the comments. And if you try the smoothie trick, let us know how it goes. As we wrap up our journey through these 3 humble vegetables, remember that small, consistent changes often create the most lasting improvements. Cucumbers, zucchini, and spinach aren't demanding vegetables. They're gentle supporters that may help your body find its natural rhythm. The beauty of these vegetables lies not in dramatic promises, but in their potential to support your body's natural processes. Some viewers have shared that they notice improvements within a few weeks, while others find the benefits develop more gradually. Everyone's journey is different, and that's perfectly normal. These dietary suggestions may help support overall wellness, but individual results vary. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes, especially if you have underlying health conditions or take medications. Start small. Maybe try cucumber water this week, zucchini noodles next week, and spinach smoothies the week after. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. If this information was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more gentle, practical health tips designed specifically for seniors. Sweet dreams, and here's to more restful nights ahead.